Hi everyone, Hope Merz here. Today we are treating Dr. Mendelsohn for his under eyes. We're going to go in the tear troughs, which is that little depression around the circle of the under eyes. And we're using a new product line called Revance. So Revance has 4 different fillers currently. 2, 3, and 4 are out in the United States as of September, and we just started using them. So far, seems really like a smooth product. It doesn't draw as much water, so for the under eyes, I'm really excited to use it. And Dr. Mendelsohn will make a great model. And we're just gonna make sure that, we treat a little bit on the conservative side, and then we'll have Dr. Mendelsohn recheck in like a couple weeks, and we'll see if we need more. The other fillers, 3 and 4, are for more the fold area and jawline and cheekbones, so we'll be getting into those 2 later, but today we're going to do under eyes.
Hope is going to inject my tear troughs. They work me very hard around here, so I look pretty tired always. But anyway, so we're going to use a new line of products called Revance and RH2. It's a long chain hyaluronic acid that's supposed to be less hydrophilic, and what we mean is hopefully it won't look like, we call it watery edema or swelling, where it looks sort of puffy, and we have that problem sometimes with some of the other HAs, so we're going to test this out. This is Hope's second treatment.
Hi everyone, we just finished part 1 of Dr. Mendelsohn's procedure. So today we decided just to treat his right eye. So we did his right under eye filler. So I went throughout the tear trough area and out into this lateral portion of the under eye. And then we also did some Botox on this muscle here that goes around the eye unit. We just go right out here by the side of the eye, and those are called the crow's feet. So we treated that. We also did his brow muscle and his forehead muscle with Botox as well. So these are all gonna kind of smooth out. This is gonna smooth out within about 7 to 10 days, and then we can really reevaluate the tear trough filler and how that took. And then we'll be able to compare it with the left side, and that'll be kind of fun.
I wanted to do a quick follow-up from the RH2 filler that Hope injected the other day. I'm gonna take my glasses off. So we treated over here on the right side, she treated, and you can compare that to my left side. Certainly it looks pretty good. I think I might need a little touch-up over here, but it hasn't been real hydrophilic, and that means, hydrophilic means water-loving or attracting fluid. And one of the problems we've had with some of the Juvederm products and various other HA fillers is that sometimes when they're injected into a region like this, it draws a lot of water, a lot of fluid, and it looks kind of, I think I explained, it looks like watery edema, we call it, some swelling. Anyway, I'm not used to using these things, but if you look real carefully, I think that right side is already improved. I didn't have any bruising. If I touched it a little bit the first day, you could feel a little bit of pressure, a little sensitivity, but so far I think it looks great, and we'll see how things progress.